Alright guys, so I'm quickly demonstrating how the tread wear of my Ola S1 Pro has deteriorated quite rapidly over the past few months. If you can see here, there are plateaus. This has gone below about 1 or 2 mm, and again here plateau, and here plateau, and here plateau. Here it is down. It's down about 1 or 2 mm, down 1 or 2 mm. So basically there is a zigzag pattern here. Here is a plateau, and then here is a plateau, here is a plateau, here is a plateau. So like that, there is sort of a zigzag pattern, and this kind of wear was never there about 2000 kilometers ago. So till the vehicle had driven 10,000 kilometers, this kind of wear was not there. This was identified after it was delivered to me on 2nd of March. The first time when I went there, I think it was 16th of March, when no one came to to fix these issues. There were sounds coming from front and rear wheels, as well as the belt, etc. They had identified that the rear wheel was having some kind of play. Now if you can see, the front wheel, which was identified as having a play on the bearing, also has that kind of wear pattern. Like here, this has gone below, so this is about half of 1 mm less, but this one has not worn so much, although at 10,000 kilometer this wear level was almost the same, identical. Now all of a sudden the rear wheel has started wearing out. I'm not sure what's the problem. I have tried to see if there is any sideways movement, but I couldn't figure out. So I'm not sure what's the problem, but something is definitely bearing this out. And there is a cyclic vibration which is coming most probably from the rear wheel, and the brakes are also getting worn out, because I basically never use brakes unless there's some emergency needing me to stop the vehicle. Otherwise I don't even use force region. So I normally increase or reduce throttle to control the speed. So only when absolutely needed I use force region, and I almost never use brakes. So this is the condition of Ola service. They simply keep dragging things forever. Essentially for the past 1.5 years I'm struggling to get these repairs done. Now if you can see, there are rubbing marks here, and this thing was there. So every time I'm visiting the service center, there are more scuffle and rubbing marks or something. So seriously, I don't understand how Ola is actually sustaining and surviving with this kind of service. But yeah, this tire, at least the rear tire, definitely needs replacement because of that uneven wear which is happening. I don't know why it is happening like that. And front wheel also has started that kind of wear pattern. And of course the brakes are getting worn out. About half of the front wheel brakes have got worn out. The rear wheel, we still don't know what's the condition. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.